creative and purposeful title for your writer. So about the title, think carefully about your audience who will be reading this paper and what are their motivations. Are they concerned with acquiring information as clearly and concisely as possible? How do you want your reader to feel about the content of your paper? Do you want to feel them informative after reading it, or do you want to make them feel that, okay, what was that? I did not understand. Confused. So what you want them to feel. A great academic title should tell your readers as much as possible about your paper's central claim and its significance. If you are saying that uh, drugs are illegal, drugs should be illegal, you have to tell so many things about it that people should start believing that yes, it's illegal. Keep it short, simple, and to the point. Great headline goes directly to the point of your content. Don't try to be clever or intriguing. Okay. It means don't do a lot of work on that people don't even understand. Clear headlines, don't play with words and try to make a joke. So neither you become humorous at the start, and neither you talk about something sarcastic, or you play with words. No, you say it directly. Get to the point. Talk about it. Bring out the benefits and make clear offers when talking about your products and services. This is something different that you are not going to include. Okay, but there are, let me tell you what research papers generally used for. Have you ever heard of Amazon Web Services? They do a lot of research papers. Why? Or let's say white papers. That is also a kind of research paper. So they do a lot of white papers that talk about their products and services there. But you don't have any product or service, so you don't have to take care of it. Okay? Question in the headline. The question in the headline should be something that your audience wants to know. If you ask something they don't care about, you will lose them. Simply, right? Your aim for one of two responses. Yes. So what do you want people to say when they read your title? Yes. As in, do you want to know how to get the result? That is amazing. Or tell me, this tool blew the analysis expectation. So these answers should come from the people. If you are giving that title, people should be intrigued. Tell your audience what to do. So create a headline with a command in it. Learn how to differentiate between this and this. You have to showcase that you are the expert. Tell your audience what they have to do to get the value you are offering. Be direct and demand action. You, the expert, tell them to act in a certain way. Okay, you make them ask why, and then that in turn will make them click through your website. If they found your topic and they found it not relevant to their understanding, they're not going to read it. Create the most valuable information resources.
Take a look at the best content out there and create something better. Better examples or more complete guidelines let you create a definite piece of content in your industry that will work for years. But the internet is full of information. People don't want more information. They want to make their lives easier.
So rather than just giving the information, give them more charts, maybe some other things that they can see and they can understand easily. Maybe you can give some snippets as well. Attracts reader. Benefits of creating catchy titles. It attracts readers. Having an engaging title can attract readers' attention. Okay, this happens in any of the writings, Tarini. If you're even writing a copywriting, like a paper to sell, or maybe you are writing for an article blog, your titles matter a lot. Okay, they may choose to open your article over others of similar content and message based on your content of your title. If they like your title, if I like a title, I will only get to that. Okay, if I wrote ways to improve communication skills and somebody is telling me ways to improve grammar, will I open that? Improve your grammar today. Will I open that? No, right? I'm looking for something else. A catchy article title is also more likely to stay in the reader's mind, allowing them to search for it in the future or even share it with others. So if you like a website, don't you look for it again someday? You do that. Everybody does that. Increase SEO, focus on your keywords. So one SEO tip is to include search terms but it also helps to have a concise title with a standard search phrase like what is, how to, or best. Best ways to improve English. How to improve your English? How to improve English? What is the best way to improve English? Can come as your topics. Okay. SEO means search engine optimization. This is done by basically the people who are in digital marketing. But how it is happening with the content? The content writers write keywords. Like if you write on internet, kurta for women, will it not show you results? It would, right? That is a keyword because people search it a lot, and that's why it will have a lot of content related to that word. That is SEO. Search engine is Google, their optimization is new content, related content. Okay. So you have to work on this. Constructing a concise title can help you rank highly and gain access to more potential readers. Okay, make a good first impression. Your title indicates the message and tone of your article and reader before they read the rest of the article. So it should be nice. A catchy title can suggest that article is easy to read and contains information valuable to readers. By spending time crafting an effective headline, you can both keep the attention of your audience and educate them as to the topic of your content. So if your title is good, it will always benefit you. Good title should include a hook. Hook means the exact word people are looking for. People love cricket, right? That can be hook. A set of key terms. So again, instead of writing economy in cricket, bidding in cricket can be your title. I'm just giving you one example. That should not be your title too. Okay, but you can use this word bidding, cricket bidding, or something, or a source. Source, maybe you are telling how to or what are these kind of. You're giving information to the people, and that's pretty much about this one.